Welcome to the simple IBModeler tutorial where we are going to try to create a 3D model out of our own custom images. This is the first image that we are going to use, which is just a collection of letters that we want to extend in 3D space. Our output model should look the same when viewed from the front, and when we want to view the collection of letters from the side, this is how they should look from the side. So we have two images, one for the side, one for the front, and we also have another image which is a lot of greenery that we are going to use as a texture for the 3D letters. So now that we are ready with the images, we go to IBModeler to create the model. The first step is always creating a mold file. So we go ahead and create a mold file. Just created and opened here. Now we apply the two images one by one. We load the first image. We set the background, which is the white region here. We just click on this white region to set it as background, and then we apply this image to the mold. This is the orientation dialog, which actually is telling us how the camera was oriented while taking this photograph. If this green region here is the area within which the model resides, then this blue region is the position of the camera, and this red region is the position where this camera is looking at. So what we are trying to say here is the camera is located right in front of the model and it is pointing at the model. So this default selection is good for us for the first image. We apply it, close it, and now we are ready to apply the second image. We set the background, and for this image we are going to say that it is not, the camera is not located at the front, but it is located here at the side. So we change the position here, rotated by the y-axis by 90 degrees here, and now we are saying that the camera is looking at the model from the side at 90 degrees from the first position. We apply the image with these parameters, close it, and now we are ready to create the model. So we just click on this button, take the default selection here, and this dialog is asking us for the texture file. We already have a texture file, the green, which we are going to use as the front as well as the back texture. So we hit next, default selection here, and save, and the model will be created. Once it is created, we would be asked if we want to view it. We say yes, and we see the created model here. If we want to save this model as a 3ds file, then we can use this button here, the 3ds button, and we can save it as a 3ds file. So that concludes the simple tutorial. Thank you.